4 terms, which is really too many to handle. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 2 at a time. And the problems are set up for success, so they're going to work. What we're going to do is we're going to look at the first 2 terms, and we're going to take out what we can. So if I look at the first 2 terms of that problem up there, what can we take out?
A. 3A.
3
Squared.
A squared. And what's left is 2A minus 3B. And then I'm going to look at the third and fourth terms. And what can I take out of those? 2B. And what am I left with?
2A minus 3B.
2A minus 3B. What you should be noticing here is you have a match, which you should have every time when you are grouping, if you did it right. So now what we're going to do is basically we are going to move that parentheses out front. We're going to factor the parentheses out of the polynomial. Okay, so we're going to write that out front. And when I move that out, what's left?
3A squared plus 2B.
3A squared plus 2B. And that is the answer. Factor out the first 2, factor out the second 2. You should have a matching parentheses left over. Slide the matching parentheses out front and then just clean up the mess and write down what's left in the second parentheses. All right, you try one. Out of the first 2, we can factor out a 7, leaving us a 3 minus t. Out of the second 2, we can take out an r, leaving us a 3 minus t. Move the 3 minus t out front. And what's left is 7 plus r. In between those parentheses, you don't put anything. They're being multiplied together. If I FOILed those 2 parentheses back together, you'd get the original problem, all 4 terms.